Hey you guys, I'm super excited. It's day one of the 30-day organizing challenge. And I'm ready to see what you guys before and afters look like. So today we're really going to focus on for the first 3 weeks we're really going to focus on decluttering and purging, getting rid of those things that you no longer need, getting rid of those things you don't want, those things that you haven't used in a long time, getting rid of those things because one thing I find that you can't organize chaos. If you organize chaos, then you will have even more chaos. It just creates chaos on top of chaos. So really organizing starts off. The first phase is always decluttering, always purging, getting rid of some things, and then we'll go back and organize the things if need be. You don't want to go and buy containers and buy things to hold stuff, and then you don't keep half of the things you're buying containers for. So let's go to my bathroom so I can show you guys what actually I need you to do. Here with my little helpers, Ezra. Say hey, Ezra. Say hi. And Noah. Say hey, Noah.
Hi.
They're going to help me declutter under our bathroom sink. You guys, if you ever watch any of our videos, we moved from a house of 2,500, we downsized. We moved from a house from 2,500 square feet to about 1,000 square feet. So it's a big difference. And I did a thing where I didn't unpack. So we just really unpacked everything because I was doing a little test on my family. And so with that being said, now under my sink, I need to revamp and declutter and get rid of some things that I no longer use. And so what we're going to do is we're not going to focus really on organizing. These first couple of weeks, we're going to focus on decluttering and making sure everything is where it needs. We need to get rid of everything. What you're going to do is create two piles. You're going to create a giveaway pile and you're going to create a throwaway pile. You don't want to throw away or give someone something that you wouldn't even use. You want to throw away the expired medicine. You want to throw away the expired lotion, face wash. You want to throw those things away. Things you can give away is stuff like, pardon me, Mom, the nail polish. Stuff like this, nail polish. Nail polish really doesn't expire. If it does get old, it takes a while for it to get old. So those things like that you can give away. If you have blow dryers, I have two. If you have two blow dryers, hair dryers, you can give those away. Those are good things to give away. I have, I have this right here. These are rollers. And then I have some hot rollers as well. So you want to give those, give those things away and trash the things that are old, like this. Another thing is old. Y'all, I had this makeup. My grandmother probably gave me this makeup like 2-3 years ago. And I don't use it. I only use my little makeup bag right here. Everything in this makeup bag right here is all that I really use. I don't really use too much of anything. Just very simple. And so you want to go through and really focus on decluttering, really focus on purging those things that has no purpose in your bathroom. And also, you guys, if you and this should only take you 10 to 15 minutes. If it takes you longer, I say take a break so you won't get overwhelmed. If you have a big cabinet space, if it's really big and you need to split it up, 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there, or 10 minutes and 15 minutes. But during the challenge, we will have days where you can catch up days, I call them, or rest days. And during those days, we're going to, things you missed or things you may have, good job, baby. Things you may have missed during the week, you can do it on those catch-up days. So this is week 1, day 1. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are ready to declutter. You guys get your family involved. Get them involved in helping you declutter and get rid of some things and helping you with suggestions on what they think should go and what they think should stay. So I have my little Noah here. He's gonna help. So you gonna throw that in the trash, Noah? We're not giving that to anybody, right? And I will post the schedule as well for you guys to follow along. You can print it out just in case if you don't see the videos or you just want to have it for your reference. I would definitely post those things, and then once those are posted, you can go. I really was hesitant on posting it or not because I don't want you to move forward, move ahead of yourself. I want you to stay on track with everybody. So what you're going to do is you're going to post a before you declutter and an after you declutter picture. And once you post that, kind of keep us, show everybody what you did, your progress, so we can cheer each other on and we can help each other during this process. So day 1, you guys, under the sink challenge, declutter, get rid of the things that you no longer use anymore. All right, you guys, I can't wait to see those before and afters. Bye-bye.